friends, welcome to Culture Cocktail. Wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Today, I would like to share my experience of celebrating Diwali in Pittsburgh, USA. Diwali is the festival of light, prosperity, and happiness. Is celebrated for about 5 days. Vasubaras, Dhanateras, Narak Chaturdashi, also known as Lakshmi Pujan, Padwa, and Bhai Dooj. It started way back in the holy city of Ayodhya in India, when Lord Rama returned back to that city after achieving victory over evil. The residents were overjoyed and they lit up lamps, lanterns, and colorful diyas to celebrate the return of Lord Rama. Diwali has been one of the most anticipated festivals ever since. Every Indian looks forward to this time of the year, as Diwali celebrations mean eating lots of sweets and savory dishes, wearing beautiful traditional clothes, lighting fireworks, and spending quality time with the loved ones. In this video, we will be showing you how we celebrated Diwali in the USA. I myself had some amazing experiences of celebrating it since childhood back in India. Now that in Pittsburgh, USA, although away from my relatives and close friends in Pune, I was determined to celebrate it with full enthusiasm. Lantern or Akash Kandil is one of the symbols of this festival. It is a hollow light holder made up of thin material in various shapes and has vibrant colors on its outer covering. A light is supposed to be lit inside of the lantern, which makes it shine beautifully in the night. Every year, I make a kandil or a lantern during Diwali in India. Why should this year be any different? I went to the Michaels Arts and Crafts store and got all the raw materials required to make it. Just look at me making it from scratch. Yes, my lantern is ready in no time. Just look at how beautifully it fits the lamp outside my house. I had not even taken any measurements, trust me, to make that happen. It is going to look really beautiful after sunset, isn't it? Yes, it does, as you can see. When we looked at the lantern, we felt proud that we were keeping our traditions alive even in a foreign country. I also lit some colorful diyas and placed them outside my door. The entrance of my house now looks so inviting. It's Diwali and clothes play an important role during the celebrations. Shopping in Diwali can be a task. In fact, people even take a work holiday so that they can shop throughout the day. I'm going to wear my best traditional clothes. Let me scan my closet. Look at those colorful dresses. No Diwali is complete without food. The dishes which are prepared specially during this festival are called farar. I received a major surprise during Diwali, a huge package full of Diwali farar from my mom. I did not expect it at all. So what if there is COVID? Mom was going to make sure I get my snacks anyway. Choda, chakli, shankarpari, kadboris, bakarwadis, laddus, amba barfi. Oh my god, lip smacking. I attacked them as soon as the package arrived. Guys, you have to taste it in order to enjoy it. As there are no cows or calves here to worship on Vasubaras, we officially started celebrating Diwali on the day of Dhanateras as the first day of Diwali. On this day, we worship Lord Dhanvantari, the god of Ayurveda. This day is also an auspicious day for buying gold and silver jewelry. During Diwali, we also burst crackers. Look at me having fun with my sparklers. Lakshmi Pujan is one of the most auspicious days of the year. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and we pray to her on this day and thank her for everything she has given to us. Gold ornaments, cash, idols, or photos of goddess Lakshmi are worshipped. That evening, I was dressed in a beautiful Paithani red sari, the same sari that I wore on the day of my wedding. I made all the arrangements for the puja, from arranging all snacks and banknotes. Actually, that signifies the wealth. And then performed the prayer at the auspicious time as recommended in the Indian calendar. Padwa is celebrated as a symbol of love between husband and wife. I prayed for my husband's health, wealth, and prosperity. Yes, and in return, I received gifts and gold from him. Also, during Diwali, I decided to call my close friends for lunch and celebrate Diwali with them. I made veg pulao, tomato soup, and sweet basundi. Everyone enjoyed the meal. Bhai Dooj is the final day of Diwali, also known as Bhau Beez in Maharashtra, and is very important day for brother-sisters relationship. And now I'm missing my baby brother a bit more than usual. The sisters receive loads of gifts and well wishes from all our brothers. We are supposed to perform the auction. I prayed for a happy and prosperous life for my brother. Finally, the end of Diwali. It was a very satisfying Diwali for me here in Pittsburgh. Surprisingly, we felt as if we were celebrating at our homes in Pune and Mumbai, back in India. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Culture Cocktail. Thank you.